Here we're going to test a difference device. There's a central point that's very easy to move. You can see that when I press on here, it moves very easily in spite of the weight in the middle. And now when we attach this piece to the top, you'll see that it still moves rather easily. A neat feature is that when we have this piece right here, this particular weight, adjust this weight, and now when we apply pressure, it will always return to the left-hand side. And actually, at times, it's very easy to move the device. It has an advantage moving this way because of leverage. It has an advantage moving the other way because of the mass on the opposite end. And yet, it remains very easy to move the midpoint of the mass. That's an interesting difference principle, which we've just tested. Thank you.